Welcome back. Today we are testing Guidy. This is a new AI desktop assistant provided by 365, and we have unique access to the latest version. So we give it a little test, and I don't want to do the standards, so no Excel, no finance modeling. Let's do something a little bit unusual. Let's get into Stata and see whether Guidy can actually do Stata. So I have here my old Stata 17 version, and let's try to do a simple import of an Excel file. So I provide the task. So I just type in here, can you help me import data from Excel? And the main purpose of Guidy is not just to do stuff for you, but actually to teach you how to do it step by step. And this is actually quite unique and helpful for learners. Let's look what is happening. Yep. Okay, so we can do it in Stata. You can import an Excel file through the menu or with a command. I think we do the menu, and it tells you basically how this can be done. And now the key is, would you like me to guide you through this? And I just say, yeah, please help me. So I just click yes, guide me. Okay, cool. So now we actually get help inside the software. This is quite interesting, and it really teaches you what to do. So here you get the message, click top menu file to start importing your Excel spreadsheet. And then you want to, the next step, you just do Control Alt and Right. Okay, Control Alt Right. Let's do that. Okay. So now Guidy is working in the background, and we get the next step. Click the top menu file, upper left, to open the import options. Okay, let's do that. Click Import in the File menu. The next one is Excel Spreadsheet, XLS, to open the Excel Import dialog. Let's do that. Here we are. Okay, next, the Browse button next to Excel File to choose your file. Here we go. Click the File Name box. Okay, part of here. Okay, here we have located this anyway. The Open button. Yeah. It's even now highlighting it. That's pretty cool. It is really cool. Here we go. Okay. All right. Okay, that's important. The checkbox import first row as variable names. So Stata uses the header row for variable names. So that's exactly what we will do. That's useful. And that should actually do it. Okay, here we are. Okay to run the import with these settings, and here we are. So now we have our data imported. Excellent. As you can see, this is a guided approach to learn actually how to import your data in Stata using Guidy. And this is the main purpose of this tool. It's not about taking over and doing everything. So I think this is a game changer when it comes to learning software. It doesn't just do stuff for you in the background. It gives you a tour, and obviously it works not just in Excel. I now tried Stata, even an old version of Stata, and it's actually doing a very good job. So I think this is very interesting, very promising. So give it a try. Details are down below in the description, and I see you soon.